Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the iPhone and removing the SIM tray so the internals stay stable. Once done, remove the two pentalobe screws next to the lightning port. These secure the display. Use a suction cup at the lower screen edge and lift gently to create a 1/16 to 1/8-inch gap. Make sure to pry from the bottom and hinge the display upward. Do not open like a book, to keep cables at the top intact and avoid tearing connectors. Once the display is lifted, remove the metal bracket screws covering the connectors and set each screw in order so you can reinstall correctly. Next, disconnect the battery first to prevent shorting, then detach the display and button flex cables using a plastic spudger. Remove the old button assembly from the chassis, transferring small parts like springs, rubber pads, and ribbon cables to the replacement. Make sure the replacement parts align exactly. Mismatched orientation causes sticky or non-functional buttons, so double-check alignment before continuing. Reassemble in reverse order. Reconnect the display and button flex connectors, then the battery, and reinstall the metal bracket and screws in their original positions. Once secured, press the button to test wake, home or side button response, and any sensor-dependent functions like Touch ID or Face ID. Make sure the screen closes flush. If a fault appears, power down and receipt connectors, clean contact surfaces, and confirm adhesives or foam pads.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.